Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the Ornarto case for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. I purchased this on Amazon because I wasn't really aware of the fact that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S comes with its own gel case in the packaging. If you haven't already, you can find out more about this gel case in our unboxing and device setup videos that are also available on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But what we're going to do is going to go through taking this out of the bag it comes in and giving you some first impressions. So this is a relatively inexpensive case for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. First impressions are pretty sturdy. It is a gel case. Now let's see how the device fits in. Yep, fits in well, fits in snugly. The camera bump, as you can see, is slightly in from the casing, which is good, because it means you can put the device down on a flat surface without the lens touching that surface directly. There's a good cutout for the fingerprint scanner. That works, as you can see. I just tap my finger there, it unlocks. There is decent cutouts for the Courage port, that's the 3.5mm audio jack or headphone jack, Type-C port, bottom facing speaker and microphone. No cutout for the, in this case, for the SIM tray, nice volume rocker overlay, and cutouts for the microphone and the infrared blaster at the top. So overall, feels good. The corners, as you can see, have quite a bit of chunkiness to it, similar to the Ringke Fusion X cases that we've unboxed and provided in first impressions on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. I feel a bit more confident in sense of the device feels safer with this case, because it has that extra corner protection. If you drop the device, you want the extra impact protection, whereas the one included by Xiaomi does not have that. So, first impressions of the Ornarto case are very positive. I think I'll be using this. This particular one is slightly tinted. It's sold as black, which is fine by me. It, in a way, highlights the actual colors of the back of the device. So for now, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S case by Ornarto. I'll drop an Amazon link in the description, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to us here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.